Hello everyone, welcome back to Chattertime Live. My name is Kira and I'm going to be leading our Chattertime today. So if you're new here, Chattertime is an opportunity for children under 5 and parents and carers of children under 5 to come along, get a tip about communication and for the kids to come along and have a bit of fun in our circle time session. So I'm going to go and do the tip of the week this week. So if you want to let your kids just run about for a little while I talk through the tip of the week for the grown-ups, and then we can bring them back and then start our circle time. So the tip of the week this week is to follow your child's lead. So this sounds like quite an easy tip, but it can be quite hard, especially if your child is very busy and running around all the time. But it's really important that you take 5 minutes out of each day to just sit with your child and follow their lead when you're playing and, you know, teaching your children. So obviously this isn't always it's not always possible when you're you know, making their food, or you have to bring them to the shops, or you know, you're always telling them what to do. So if you take 5 minutes and just follow their lead, if they want to play with the cars, you'll come over and play with the cars with them. If they don't want to play with the cards going back and forth, and if they're hitting the cards together, maybe you could take 2 toys and hit them together and just show interest in what your child's doing and follow their lead throughout the play. So it's, you know, it gets their attention, and it's so much more stimulating for the children if they know that you're interested in what they're interested in too. So as I say, 5 minutes a day, and if you want to bring your kids back for the fun part now, we're going to start our circle time. So I've got my visual timetable here of our session today. We're going to start with our hello. So if you want to pop your kid's name into the chat and we can say hello to them when the time comes. And then we're going to have our story, and our story today is about a little kitten, a little cat taking a nap. And then we're going to have what's in the box. I've got a box full of goodies here, and we're going to see what's in it. And then we're going to finish off with some songs, and then we're going to say goodbye. So we'll start our Chattertime off today with a hello song. So, hello everyone, hello everyone, hello everyone, it's good to see you here. Hello. Now, our hello song has finished. And next, it's time for our story. Now, our story today involves a little cat. But he's a very, very tired cat. Oh, he needs to go for a nap. But when he tries to close his eyes, he hears some wind. Uh-oh! The cat can't sleep because it's so noisy with the wind. Oh no! So the cat tries to go asleep again and closes his eyes. But wait, he hears a dog barking. Ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, 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 ruff. The cat can't sleep when the dog is barking. Oh no! What are are we gonna do? We're gonna have to try and go to sleep again. Ready? And close our eyes. Sleep, sleep, sleep. But the cat hears the traffic outside. You can hear the cars, beep, 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 and the trucks, beep, 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 beep. Oh no, it's so noisy. The little kitten can't sleep when it's so noisy. What are we gonna do? So the little kitten's gonna close his eyes again and try and sleep. Oh, but he hears Mummy's in the kitchen making some tea. He can hear the kettle burring. The kettle! Oh no! Little kitten has woken up again. What are we going to do? I think we're gonna have to go somewhere that's quiet and warm and dark. So the kitten goes into the barn and finds a nice, soft, cozy bed of hay to lie on, and the kitten goes to sleep. He's sleeping. Shh, the little kitten is sleeping. Phew, thank goodness the cat got to sleep. Now, our story has finished. Now, next, our activity for today is what's in the box. Now, I have a very colourful box here with all different patterns. So there might be some crazy stuff in here. So we're going to, if everyone at home can clap along, and then we'll see what's in the box. So, what's in the box? What's in the box? Everybody wants to know what's in the box. I'm gonna open the box. Oh, open. No. What's the first thing we can see in the box? It's a ball. Wow. That's a very colourful ball. And it's very squishy and squashy. I can squeeze it in my hands. Squish, squish, squish. Squish, 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 squish. Ooh, wow. Boy. We'll try again. If everyone can clap along again at home, and then we can see what else is in the box. What's in the box? What's in the box? Everybody wants to know what's in the box. What's in the box? Open the box up. Oh, who's this we've got in the box? It's a frog. It's Mr. Frog. Mr. Frog says hello. Hello. Hello, children. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Maybe Mr. Frog will help us with our songs later. So we'll close the box back up again. Close. And we'll do another clapping along at home to see what's in the box. So, ready? What's in the box? What's in the box? Everybody wants to know what's in the box. Let's see. We'll open it up again. And, wow! It's a slinky. It's a rainbow slinky, actually. So it's got beautiful colours. It's got green and blue, yellows, orange, orange, pink, purple, and back to blue again. So we're going to have some fun with this. Ready? Oh, wow, look at that. So many colors. We can make a beautiful rainbow with it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, a very wobbly rainbow. Now, the slinky has finished. And I think I've got one more thing in my box. So if everyone can clap along and see what the last thing is in my box. What's in the box? What's in the box? Everybody wants to know what's in the box. What's the last thing in the box? Oh, it's a little happy face, but he's got a little windy. I'm going to wind him up and see what happens. Ready? I'll put him on top of my box. Ready? Steady? I don't know if you can see that very well, but he's walking. We'll do it one more time. Look, his little feet are walking. He looks very happy today. We'll wind him up again. And we'll go. Oh, he's going to go for another walk. Oh. He's making a very... Oh, the man's finished walking. Now, our box has finished. So I'm going to take that off our timetable today, and then we're going to do some singing now. So I'm just going to prop you back up because you keep falling on me. Perfect. So we've got a lot of songs actually to choose from today. So if you see a song here that you want me to sing, or a song that's not here, I can try and sing it. But this is all of our songs for today. So I think, what song will I choose first? I think Incy Wincy Spider's a good one to do first today. Now, get your spiders ready. The Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So the Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Brilliant! Great actions at home. Our Incy Wincy Spider has finished. Now, we've done the Incy Wincy Spider. Which one will we do next? Let's have a think. I think we'll do head, shoulders, knees, and toes. You ready to do the actions at home? Ready, steady. Heads, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Great! There's lots of actions in that one. So we're going to do one final song, I think. And our song is going to be Old MacDonald. So, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. noises at home. Now, we'll do one more song maybe. We'll end on Wheels on the Bus. So, everyone at home, get your wheels ready. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all day long. Great job singing at home. Now all of our songs has finished. So our singing has finished. So there's only one more thing left to do, and that's say goodbye. So if you want to pop your child's name into the chat, I can say goodbye to them. So we're going to start. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. It was good to see you here. Bye, everyone. I'll see you next week.